Good news sa mga OFW natin dyan all over the globe. 3 days ago, I started Front Row Dragons International. And 3 days after, meron na tayong Canada, Guam, and Washington, D.C. So sila ngayon yung mga tinuturuan ko at mini-mentor ko how to become successful this 2024. This will be fast and this will be so effective. I can make people successful in 3 years, 3 taon. Okay? I don't want to overpromise. I don't want magsabi na isang bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin. Hindi ako magsasabi sa inyo na, alam mo, pag sumali ka dito, next year, mayaman ka na. You can do that. Pero gusto kasi, yung, alam mo yun, yung conservatively speaking, 3 years, you'll be successful with the system that I have. Now, it's 15, 30, 45,000 pesos lang. It doesn't matter kung ano gusto mo dyan. Pero ito is parang, ano ko to, parang give back ko to sa mga kapwa ko OFW because I am an OFW before. And it's time for me to make OFW successful now. I know maraming OFW ngayon na gusto nang umuwi, gusto nang makasama yung family nila dahil tandaan natin, even if how much yung kinikita natin, sometimes family matters pa rin talaga. Okay? So guys, I need just 10 lang. I need 10 lang for this day hanggang bukas, 10 lang. And then after nan, I'll be catering another 10 in an expand of a month or 2 ulit kasi gusto ko muna sila matutukan, magka-traction. Pag kumikita na sila, then I'll invite again for Dragons International. Again, 10 lang. Okay, 10 lang muna para matutukan natin and then next month na ulit. Kontakin nyo kaagad ako dyan kasi dyan nyo lang ako makakontakt. Yan yung official na Facebook ko tsaka Instagram ko. So guys, see you guys sa inbox. Ako na bahala. Let's go.